Hi, I have two ideas left to talk about for evolution. So we're going to start with this one, mimicry. As you know, some organisms blend into their environment using camouflage. Mimicry is similar in that it's an adaptation where one organism may look similar to another, but the reasoning is, or the cause is different. So in this example, a monarch butterfly is a distasteful species. Birds don't like the way it tastes, and so it's less susceptible to predators from birds. The viceroy also looks like the monarch, so it is also less susceptible to birds. So those that look more like the monarch will be eaten less. So therefore, the viceroy is a mimic, or it's using mimicry like the monarch. So you might ask, is this also a mimic? Is this insect also mimicking? Well, no, this insect looks like a harmless species, so it is just camouflage. That insect looks very similar to a leaf on a plant, but that's not a harmful species, so therefore that is just a camouflage. All right, last idea is about gradualism and punctuated equilibrium. So what are these ideas? What do they describe? Well, what we're interested in here is how evolution occurs in terms of the pace of speciation events. Do speciation events happen sort of at a regular pace where gradual changes accumulate over time? Or do they happen in a way where we have species that remain pretty static for a period of time, and then there's rapid evolution, so it changes quite quickly, and then some static, not very much change again? It's an interesting question. Stephen Jay Gould was a paleontologist who asked this question and really was trying to understand why we don't see, or why we see periods in geologic time where there are a lot of changes in species, and some where we see relatively few changes. So both of these models can work. We may see both of those pieces of evolution happening in time. Punctuated equilibrium would be described, or would probably best most likely occur when there's environmental change that is also rapid, causing that rapid speciation. Okay, I hope those ideas are clear. That wraps up the main ideas of evolution.